So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from Chiang Mai city in northern Thailand. We're gonna go and see another house. It is in Lamphun, but it's just before we get to Lamphun town. So I thought we'd go and have a look. The lady again has said she will leave the key there, so it's another place we can let ourselves in and have a look around. I've just stopped off here as well, look. Ratana Sereneville. Never ever been this area. It looks lovely, but this is not what the vlog is today. Got the beautiful Doi Sutep there, look. Cloudy day, perfect day. So happy days, mate. So I'm gonna get on the road to Lamphun and we're gonna try and see if we can find this house. We gotta find it first. Then the keys in this little blue bag and she's given me all the details. So God knows what we're gonna get up to. Let's get down there. Jesus, you couldn't live out here, mate. I mean, you're only in Lamphun, but it's out in the sticks of Lamphun. I mean, look at this. We are in small longan lanes. You would have to be local. Look at that place there. That's all you would need, though, innit? Abandoned warehouse. Oh, that's creepy, innit? It is always creepy out this way because there's nothing. As one car comes and two bikes. But yeah, it's just there's nothing out here, man. It's just dead. That was creepy, mate. Creepy old abandoned place. Off we got, 3 minutes. What the hell are we doing today, man? Made it, and I think this could quite possibly be, hello, one of the most outback houses we looked at. We're only in Lamphun. We're in a small village. I put it all up on the screen, so I don't know what village we're in, but it's in Lamphun, so not far. But yeah, it's out in the sticks. This is the house here. This is it. Hey, it's padlocked. She said I could go in. This is it, guys. It looks nice, doesn't it? But look, it's another castaway moment in the middle of the road. Nothing. You would go doolally out here, mate. You would go nuts. You've got small local restaurants around, and it's a beautiful area, look. But yeah, it's a quiet village. Lovely place to live. Foreigners do live out here, but you would have to be, yeah, you would have to be set up, man. Plane, see, that one's coming into Chiang Mai, so you're not too fast descending. So it's not too far from Ang Dong in that, so you're only a little bit out. How am I gonna get in there then? Padlocked. Yeah, it's padlocked. Right, we're in. She said there's a blue bag out the back. Blue bag. Blue bag. Where's the blue bag? Right, got it. She tucked it down the side there. So I found it. She sent me a picture. Got the old padlock on, look. This is a house in Lamphun, guys. Oh yeah, it needs a bit of a clean up, mate. What have we got here? So your living area is in the middle here. Yeah, it is basically just a shell, look. Nothing, so you got 1 bedroom. And your small living area here, look. 2 bedrooms. So you got your master bedroom here, which is quite big. No aircon. God, this one's been left for a while, mate. This one been left. But it's small. It's ideal just for small, you know. So 2 bedrooms, your living room. This is the kitchen then, right? Yeah. Small kitchen. Oh. Yeah, nobody been in here for a little while. Nobody been in here, buddy. But yeah, tiny. Any electric? No. Right, so your shower and your toilet. Look at that. Your shower is overhanging the bog. Look how close you would be right here, look. Having your shower. Toilet's right there. Don't like that, do you? They could have done that a lot better. Yeah, a little bit creepy out here, man. Got your kitchen area here. Small. And that goes out to the back. So, lovely lady. She really nice lady on Facebook. If anybody's interested, you never know, right? People are looking for stuff all the time. We're only in Lamphun, but it's out in the boonies. God, yeah, it's not for me. But I thought we would have a look. We're going to Lamphun anyway, just down the road. So it was worth coming to have a look. So guys, this house is 8,000 baht a month. Just outside of Lamphun town. 8,000 baht, 1 year contract, government rates on water and electric. You're right below the flight pathlet. But he's not as low as in the city, obviously. But you have got that noise. That's 2 we've seen go over. Clock outside, 4 o'clock, which is not. It needs a damn good tidy up, look. Quiet, there's nothing happening out here. All there is just nice houses everywhere. And papayas growing. So I would say if somebody did want this, you could negotiate with this big time. Get the price down, get the contract length down easy, right? There you go. I think we're going to leave it there, man. Going to lock it up again. So I didn't need to jump over the fence. Oh, I can't be bothered to open it again or jump over again. But yeah, it's all grown over. You would need to clean all this up. I'd say nobody been here for a year or 2. Let's get a shot of it a minute for the old thumbnail. See, the thing is, you never know. It was worth coming out for a look, wasn't it? It's worth having a look, guys, right? On the way to Lamphun. There's your house, 8,000. What we talking? 180 quid, I don't know, 200 odd dollars. That would be your gaff. So yeah, we're going to sign out for that one. standing in the middle of the road. There is nothing here. Anybody's interested, just let me know. It was definitely worth the look. I'm going to stop waffling, checking out from the super quiet village in Lamphun, where this house is available for 8,000 baht a month. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.